So how do you remove a recurring event from iPhone calendar? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here and first time on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, you can check out your calendar and all of the events which you might have in your calendar. But the whole point is that you might have an event which is recurring and that is set up right here when you click on the repeat option. So you can repeat it every day or every week or choose a custom repeating frequency, right? So you're going to see that it's pretty, like extensive in terms of the options to like set up the recurrent, right? So the whole point is that you don't have to like necessarily delete it. You can just stop the recurring from happening, right? So you can, for example, end the repeat and choose not a never, meaning that it will not repeat indefinitely forever, but you can choose it to stop on a today, for example. So the past events are not changed and it will no longer be repeating and recurring in the future. So I guess that would make sense. Or you can also change the repeat frequency if you want to keep on repeating that event, but at just a different time. You can do that. Or at the end of the day, you still have the ability to click on that event and tap the delete button below. So that is how you can, of course, make sure that this whole thing disappears from your calendar. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comment below if you managed to set it up on your device. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss anything important, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.